Welcome to SnowLand, come on inside. A snowy playground so cool and bright. Icy and frosty white all around. A winter wonderland right in this town. 10 degrees chilly, it's so cold. Feels like winter stories we've been told. Put on your jacket, zip it up tight. SnowLand fun from morning to night. SnowLand, SnowLand, let's go play. Throw some snowballs, laugh all day. Slide and smile, shout hooray. SnowLand, SnowLand, fun this way. Long pants on and shoes closed tight. Careful steps so we don't slide. Gloves and boots if you need more. Ready for fun we all adore. Touch the snow, it's soft and white. Make funny shapes, hold it tight. Toss it gently, 1, 2, 3. Snowy fun for you and me. SnowLand, SnowLand, let's go play. Throw some snowballs, laugh all day. Slide and smile, shout hooray. SnowLand, SnowLand, fun this way. I slide up so high. Sit on the tube, ready to fly. Big ones, small ones, choose your ride. Zooming down with joy inside. Helpers check that all is right. Safe and ready, hold on tight. Short slides for the first time crew. Everyone can join the fun too. Look around, what do you see? Ice sculpture smiling at me. Take a photo, pose just right. Frozen memories, what a sight. Little kids have a special place. Safe and cozy, fun to chase. Mom and dad are right nearby, sharing laughs as time goes by. SnowLand, SnowLand, what a day. Cold but happy when we play. Slide, laugh, smile, stay and say, we love SnowLand, hip hooray. SnowLand fun will come again. Winter joy